Setting up on-premises MQTT Broker. Connect the data logger and server to access point, as shown in the connectivity architecture diagram. Visit the Mosquitto website to download the required installation files. Download the installation file for Windows. Click on the downloaded file and click Next to install. Click on Next Step to complete the installation. Check the Mosquitto Broker services status. If not running, right-click on the Mosquitto services and start the service. We can also follow the Another method. Copy the installation folder path. Go to the command prompt and run the Mosquitto Broker services by issuing the command. Refresh service page and check the Mosquitto Broker services status. Check the port in which Mosquitto Broker is running. Create topic named test_sensor_data by issuing the following command. Open one more command window. Now test the Mosquitto Broker by sending data using publish command. Observe the result in the broker window. Now we have installed successfully Mosquitto Broker in our local environment. Now you can use the broker for device data Aquation services. Now you can configure broker credential and IP address. Change directory to Mosquitto installation directory. Set the username by using the command. Open the mosquitto.conf file. Configure the system IP address. Set the system IP address. Set anonymous to false. Insert the password file with path. Save the mosquitto.conf file. Restart the Mosquitto services by right-click on Mosquitto Broker services. Now broker is ready with secure access with username and password. Let's check the access with MQTT client. Download the MQTT client. Install the MQTT client. Click on Finish to complete the installation. Click on New Connection. Make the MQTT client connection by entering the host, port, username and password. Name and client ID enter with your own. These two labels nothing to do with the MQTT broker. Click on Connect. Now you can see MQTT broker is connected. Now we will publish the data to the topic sensor_data. Add new subscription. Add the topic name and click on Confirm. Now you can test the MQTT broker by sending the JSON data packets. Now let's configure the data logger for MQTT services. Log in to the RDL Configuration Manager application. Click on Wi-Fi GPRS 4G LTE option on the menu bar. Set the communication to Wi-Fi. Set the protocol to MQTT. Click on MQTT. Set the broker address, username, password and port number. Set the topic. Click on Save to complete the configuration. Click on Wi-Fi settings and set your SSID and password. Click on Save. Click on I/O setting. Select the required interface. Click on Analog tab. Select the polling interval. Click on Save. Select the required analog channels. Click on Save. Now you can check the polling status by clicking on Analyze. Click on Monitor. Select the COM port. Now you can monitor the polling status. Data logger, sending the analog channel data for every second polling interval to MQTT broker. You can also check receiving status info on MQTT command window. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our product and services, please contact us.